Buddha's teachings on happiness revolve around understanding and alleviating suffering. By exploring the nature of our discontent and the pathways to inner peace, these teachings guide us toward a profound sense of joy. They emphasize mindfulness, ethical living, and compassion as fundamental principles for cultivating lasting happiness. The Four Noble Truths form the foundation of Buddha's teachings. They reveal the existence of suffering, its causes, the possibility of cessation, and the path leading to the end of suffering. By comprehending these truths, we can transform our approach to life and foster a deeper sense of happiness. The Eightfold Path offers practical steps to achieve joy. It encompasses right understanding, intention, speech, action, livelihood, effort, mindfulness, and concentration. Each aspect of the path works synergistically to guide individuals toward ethical conduct, mental clarity, and emotional balance, ultimately leading to a fulfilling and joyful existence. Practicing right view involves seeing the world through a lens of wisdom and compassion. By understanding the impermanent and interconnected nature of life, we can cultivate a positive mindset. This perspective helps us navigate challenges with grace, reduces suffering, and enhances our overall sense of happiness. Embracing right intention means fostering thoughts and motivations rooted in kindness and altruism. By aligning our intentions with the well-being of ourselves and others, we create a fertile ground for happiness to flourish. This practice encourages selflessness, reduces negative emotions, and promotes a harmonious and joyful life. Right speech involves communicating with kindness and integrity. By choosing words that uplift and inspire rather than harm, we foster positive relationships and inner peace. Speaking truthfully and avoiding gossip or harsh language helps create a supportive environment, contributing to our own happiness and the well-being of others. Right action is about living ethically and making choices that reflect our values. By avoiding harm, practicing compassion, and engaging in acts that benefit others, we cultivate inner peace. Ethical living aligns our actions with our beliefs, fostering a sense of purpose and joy in our daily lives. Right livelihood encourages us to pursue work that is honorable and beneficial. Choosing a career that aligns with ethical principles and contributes to the greater good enhances our sense of fulfillment. Meaningful work not only supports our livelihood, but also uplifts our spirits and fosters happiness. Practicing right effort involves cultivating positive qualities and overcoming negative habits. By consistently striving to improve ourselves and our actions, we create a foundation for lasting joy. Diligence in nurturing virtues such as patience, generosity, and kindness leads to a more fulfilling and harmonious life. Right mindfulness is about staying present and fully aware in each moment. By paying attention to our thoughts, feelings, and surroundings without judgment, we develop a deeper understanding of ourselves and the world. Mindfulness helps us appreciate life's simple pleasures and contributes to a more joyful and balanced existence. Meditation serves as a cornerstone of Buddha's teachings on happiness, providing a path to inner peace and clarity. By practicing right concentration, individuals can focus their minds, reduce distractions, and cultivate a deeper sense of joy. This practice helps to quiet mental chatter and fosters a serene and contented state of being. Compassion plays a vital role in achieving joy, as it encourages individuals to connect with others on a deeper level. By fostering empathy and understanding, one can alleviate suffering and promote happiness. Compassionate actions not only benefit others, but also bring a profound sense of fulfillment and inner peace to the giver. Letting go of attachments is essential for lasting happiness. Clinging to material possessions, relationships, or outcomes often leads to suffering and dissatisfaction. By embracing impermanence and practicing non-attachment, individuals can experience true freedom and contentment. This mindset shift allows for a more serene and joyful existence. Gratitude, as taught by Buddha, is a powerful practice for cultivating happiness. By focusing on the positive aspects of life and appreciating what one has, individuals can shift their mindset from lack to abundance. Regularly expressing gratitude fosters a sense of contentment and enhances overall well-being, leading to a more joyful life. Understanding the impermanence of life is crucial for finding peace and happiness. Accepting that everything is transient helps individuals appreciate the present moment and reduce suffering caused by clinging to the past or fearing the future. This awareness fosters a deeper sense of gratitude and allows for a more balanced and joyful life. Acceptance allows us to face suffering without resistance, transforming pain into growth. By acknowledging life's inevitable hardships, we reduce suffering's grip on our hearts. Embracing reality as it is fosters resilience, inner peace, and a deeper understanding of our experiences, leading us closer to true happiness. Loving-kindness meditation nurtures compassion and empathy, extending goodwill to ourselves and others. This practice softens the heart, dissolves barriers, and promotes emotional well-being. By regularly engaging in loving-kindness meditation, we cultivate a genuine sense of connection and joy, contributing to a more harmonious and loving existence. Equanimity, or mental calmness, helps us navigate life's ups and downs with grace. By maintaining emotional balance, we prevent extreme reactions and develop a stable, peaceful mind. This inner tranquility allows us to handle challenges with wisdom and poise, fostering a more joyful and resilient life. Self-reflection encourages personal growth and self-awareness. By examining our thoughts, actions, and motivations, we gain insights into our behavior and its impact on our well-being. This introspection helps us align with our values and make conscious choices that enhance our happiness and contribute to a fulfilling life. Generosity, a cornerstone of Buddhist teachings, enhances well-being by fostering a sense of interconnectedness and purpose. Giving selflessly to others nurtures compassion and joy, benefiting both giver and receiver. Practicing generosity, whether through time, resources, or kindness, enriches our lives and contributes to a more compassionate world. Ethics play a crucial role in a joyful life, guiding us to act with integrity and compassion. By adhering to ethical principles, we create harmony in our relationships and foster inner peace. Ethical living reduces conflicts and regrets, paving the way for a more fulfilling and joyful existence. Negative influences can cloud our judgment and disrupt our happiness. By consciously avoiding toxic environments and individuals, we protect our mental and emotional well-being. Surrounding ourselves with positive influences encourages growth and joy. Choosing uplifting company and activities enhances our overall life satisfaction and happiness. Building positive relationships is essential for a joyful life. Connections based on trust, respect, and mutual support enrich our lives and provide emotional stability. Positive relationships offer a sense of belonging and love, which are fundamental to happiness. Nurturing these bonds leads to a more joyful and fulfilling life. Embracing simplicity and minimalism can greatly enhance our sense of joy. By focusing on what truly matters and letting go of excess, we reduce stress and find contentment in the present moment. A minimalist lifestyle encourages mindfulness and appreciation, leading to a deeper, more lasting sense of happiness. Mindfulness and joy are deeply interconnected. By staying present and fully engaging with each moment, we open ourselves to the beauty and richness of life. Mindfulness helps us appreciate the simple pleasures and cultivates a sense of gratitude. This practice fosters a profound and enduring sense of joy. Meditation serves as a potent tool to quiet the mind, creating a sanctuary from the noise of daily life. By focusing on the breath or a mantra, individuals can center themselves, reducing mental chatter. This practice fosters a sense of inner calm and clarity, paving the way for genuine happiness. Silence and solitude are invaluable for introspection and personal growth. Carving out moments of stillness allows the mind to settle, revealing deeper insights and fostering tranquility. In these quiet moments, one can reconnect with their true self, cultivating an inner peace that radiates outward and enhances overall well-being. Happiness is found in the present moment, free from the burdens of past regrets and future anxieties. By embracing the now, individuals can fully experience life's joys and challenges. This mindful presence fosters gratitude and contentment, transforming ordinary moments into profound experiences of joy and fulfillment. Overcoming anger and resentment is crucial for inner peace. Holding on to negative emotions only perpetuates suffering. Through practices like mindfulness and loving-kindness meditation, individuals can learn to release these toxic feelings, replacing them with compassion and understanding. This emotional freedom is essential for lasting happiness and harmonious relationships. Dealing with stress and anxiety requires a holistic approach. Mindfulness techniques, deep breathing exercises, and regular meditation can significantly reduce the impact of stressors. By cultivating a calm and focused mind, individuals can navigate life's challenges with resilience, maintaining a sense of inner peace and joy even in difficult times. Patience is a cornerstone in cultivating joy. By learning to wait without frustration, we embrace life's flow, allowing happiness to emerge naturally. Practicing patience helps us navigate challenges calmly and appreciate the present moment. This mindful approach transforms obstacles into opportunities for growth and deepens our overall sense of contentment. Forgiveness is essential for inner peace. Holding on to grudges burdens the heart and mind, preventing true happiness. By forgiving ourselves and others, we release negative emotions and create space for positive energy. This act of compassion fosters healing and strengthens our capacity for joy, leading to a more harmonious life. Recognizing the interconnectedness of all beings enriches our sense of joy. Understanding that our actions impact others encourages us to act with kindness and compassion. This awareness fosters a sense of unity and shared happiness, reminding us that our well-being is intertwined with the well-being of others. Finding joy in service to others is profoundly fulfilling. Acts of generosity and kindness not only benefit those we help, but also elevate our own spirits. Serving others fosters a sense of purpose and connection, reinforcing the idea that true happiness often comes from contributing to the greater good. Wisdom is key to achieving lasting happiness. By seeking knowledge and understanding, we make informed decisions that align with our values. Wisdom helps us navigate life's complexities with grace and clarity, allowing us to find joy in even the most challenging situations. It guides us toward a more meaningful and joyful existence. Finding balance between pleasure and contentment is crucial for lasting happiness. While seeking pleasure can provide temporary joy, true contentment arises from inner peace and acceptance. Buddha's teachings encourage us to enjoy life's pleasures without attachment, fostering a deeper sense of fulfillment and reducing the craving for constant external gratification. Consistency in practice is essential for integrating Buddha's teachings into daily life. Regular meditation, mindfulness, and ethical behavior build a strong foundation for enduring happiness. By making these practices habitual, we cultivate a resilient and joyful mindset, capable of withstanding life's challenges and maintaining inner peace. Buddha's teachings remain relevant in modern life, offering timeless wisdom for contemporary challenges. Applying these principles helps navigate the complexities of today's world, fostering balance, compassion, and mindfulness. Embracing these teachings can lead to a more meaningful and joyful existence, even amidst the hustle and bustle of modernity. Real-life examples of joyful living abound, showcasing individuals who embody Buddha's teachings. These people often radiate peace, kindness, and contentment, inspiring others to follow a similar path. Their lives demonstrate that true happiness is attainable through mindful living, ethical conduct, and compassionate actions, serving as powerful reminders of the teaching's effectiveness. The journey to lasting happiness is a lifelong endeavor, guided by Buddha's timeless wisdom. By embracing the principles of mindfulness, compassion, and ethical living, we can cultivate a deep and enduring sense of joy. This journey, though challenging, ultimately leads to profound fulfillment and a harmonious existence with ourselves and others.